Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into part 2 of our Figma tutorial series for 2024. Whether you are a beginner or looking to sharpen your skill, there is something here for everyone. Let's get started. Collaboration features in prototyping tools. Effective collaboration is essential in design, especially when working with a team to create prototypes. Modern prototyping tools offer a variety of features that facilitate teamwork, communication, and feedback, ensuring that the design process is efficient and aligned with project goals. This guide will cover how to invite team members to collaborate and effectively use comments and feedback tools. Inviting team members to collaborate. Most prototyping tools allows you to easily invite team members to work on your project. Here is how to get started. Begin by opening the prototype you wish to share, look for a project settings or sharing option within the tool's interface. You can typically invite team members via email or by sharing a link, input their email addresses and choose their roles, whether they will be editors or viewers. Some tools allows for different permission levels, providing you with control over what collaborators can do. Before sending invitations, review the collaboration settings. Some tools offer options for allowing or restricting access to certain parts of a prototype, or for establishing, disabling the ability to download assets. Once you have sent out invitations, consider following up with a message or notification to ensure team members are aware of their access. This can help set expectations for participation and collaboration. Using comments and feedback tools. Feedback is critical to refining your design, and effective committing features can streamline this process. Leave comments directly on the prototype. Most prototyping tools include functionality that allows team members to leave comments directly on specific elements within the prototype. This contextual feedback helps designers understand exactly what changes are needed. Encourage your team to be specific about their suggestions, referencing particular screens or interaction. Use tags and mentions. Many tools support tagging or mentioning specific team members in comments. This feature helps draw attention to particular feedback, ensuring that relevant stakeholders are aware of issues that need addressing. For example, if a developer needs clarification or an interaction, tagging them in the comment can prompt a quicker response. Organize feedback. As comments accumulate, it's important to keep track of them. Some tools allows you to filter comments by status or type. Use these organizational features to prioritize feedback and maintain a clear view of what change needs to be made. Conduct feedback sessions. Schedule collaborative review sessions where team members can discuss feedback in real time. This not only fosters communication but also allows for deeper exploration of ideas and issues. Utilize screen share to walk through the prototype together, facilitating a more interactive feedback process. Iterate based on feedback. After collecting and organizing feedback, take time to iterate on the prototype. Implement the suggestions and mark comments as resolved once changes are made. This iterate process not only improves the design but also keep the team engaged and invested in the project's success. Collaborative features in prototyping tools significantly enhance the design process, making it easier for teams to work together effectively. By inviting team members to collaborate and leveraging comments and feedback tools, you can create an open and communicative environment. This collaborative approach not only leads to better designs but also fosters a sense of ownership and engagement among team members, ultimately contributing to the success of the project. Exporting your designs. Exporting your design is a vital step in the design workflow, allowing you to share your work with developers, stakeholders, or other team members. Properly exporting designs ensures that your assets maintain their quality and integrity across different platforms and uses. This guide will cover how to prepare your designs for export and the various formats available, such as PNG and SVG. Preparing designs for export. Before you export your designs, it's essential to ensure they are organized and optimized. Clean up your design files by naming layers and grouping related elements. This organization not only makes it easier to find and export assets but also help other team members understand the design structure. Determine which elements need to be exported. This could include icons, buttons, backgrounds, or entire screen. In many design tools, you can select multiple layers or groups to export them all at once. Depending on the intended use, you may need to adjust the resolution of your design. For digital use, standard resolution typically range from 72 to 300 dpi, while print designs often require high resolutions. Ensure that the color and effects you have used are consistent across your designs. If exporting for the web, consider using RGB color mode. For print, CMYK is standard. Additionally, if your design has drop shadows, gradients, or other effects, verify that they will render correctly in the exported format. Exporting assets in various formats. Once your designs are prepared, it's time to export them in the appropriate formats. Here are some common formats and their uses. PNG, Portable Network Graphics. PNG is ideal for web use, especially for images with transparency or sharp edges, like logos or icons. It supports lossless compression, ensuring high quality images without loss of detail. Select the desired layers and choose the PNG export option in your design tool. You can often specify the size and resolution during the export process. JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group. JPEG is best for photographs or images with complex color variations. It uses lossy compression, which reduces file size at the expense of some quality, making it suitable for web images where file size matters. Similar to PNG, select your assets and choose the JPEG option. Adjust the quality settings to balance size and clarity. SVG, Scalable Vector Graphics. SVG is expert for logos, icons, and any design that requires scaling without loss of quality. Since SVG files are vector based, they are lightweight and maintain their clarity at any size, making them ideal for responsive design. Select the vector elements and choose the SVG export option. Ensures that any raster images are embedded if they are part of the design. PDF, Portable Documents Format. PDF is often used for sharing designs with stakeholders or for printing. It preserves vector quality and can include multiple pages, making it suitable for design presentation. Select the pages or elements you wish to export and choose PDF as the format. Adjust settings for print quality or compression as needed. GIF, Graphics Interchange Format. GIFs are useful for simple animations or images with limited color palettes. They support transparency and can be used for small web animations or icons. Select the elements for your GIF and choose the export option. Some tools allows you to specify frame durations for animated GIFs. Exporting your designs is a crucial step that ensures your work is accessible and usable across various platforms. By preparing your designs carefully and selecting the right formats for export, you can maintain the quality and integrity of your assets. Familiarize yourself with the different export options available in your design tool to streamline the process and enhance collaboration with developers and other stakeholders. As we wrap up our session on prototyping and design, it's important to take a moment to address any common questions or issues that may arise, as well as encourages you to continue your journey in design. Engaging with these topics can enhance your understanding and skills, paving the way for more effective prototyping in your projects. Addressing common questions or issues. Question number 1. How do I handle feedback that contradicts my vision? It's not uncommon to receive feedback that may clash with your design intentions. The key is to approach feedback with an open mind. Try to understand the reasoning behind the suggestions. Ask clarifying questions to get to the root of the concern. Often, feedback can lead to improved designs, even if it initially seems at odds with your vision. Consider how you can integrate valuable elements from the feedback while staying true to your core concept. Question number 2. What if my prototype is too complex or has too many features? Simplifying your prototype can be crucial for clarity. Focus on core functionalities and user flows that represent your primary goals. You can always build on the prototype in future iterations. Remember, the goal of a prototype is to validate ideas, not to encompass every potential feature. Use a phased approach where you can gradually introduce additional elements based on user testing and feedback. Question number 3. How can I ensure my designs are accessible? Accessibility is a vital aspect of design. that should not be overlooked. Familiarize yourself with accessibility guidelines such as WCAG, Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. Consider color contrast, text size, and alternative text for images. Use tools to test your designs for accessibility issues. Engaging users with diverse needs in testing can provide invaluable insights to how your design can be more inclusive. Question number 4. What should I do if my team members don't engage with a prototype? If you're finding it difficult to get feedback or engagement from team members, try to make the prototype more accessible. Schedule dedicated review sessions and provide context for the prototype, highlighting its purpose and significance. Encourage open dialogue and emphasize that feedback is crucial for the project's success. Sometimes showing how their input can directly influence the outcome can motivate engagement. Question number 5. How do I stay updated with design trends and tools? The design field is always evolving, so it's beneficial to stay informed. Follow design blogs, join online communities, and participate in webinars or workshops. Networking with other designers can provide insights into emerging tools and methodologies. Make a habit of dedicating time to explore new tools and techniques, and don't hesitate to experiment in your own project. As we conclude this session, I encourage you to put the concepts we discussed into practice. Prototyping is a skill that improves with hands on experience. Here are some actionable steps to continue your learning. Choose a simple app or website idea that excites you and begin creating a prototype. Apply the techniques we discussed, such as linking frames, adding transitions, and exporting assets. The best way to learn is through doing, so don't hold back. Reach out to fellow designers or developers to work on a prototype together. Collaboration not only enhances your skill but also exposes you to different perspectives and techniques. Once you have a prototype ready, share it with peers, mentors, or in online design communities. Be open to constructive criticism and use the feedback to iterate and improve your designs. If you are comfortable with the basics, take some time to explore more advanced features of your prototyping tool. Learn about animations, interactive components, or user testing functionalities that can elevate your prototypes. After completing a project, take a moment to reflect on what worked well and what could be improved. Document your learnings and keep refining your approach with each new project. Thank you for participating in this session on prototyping and design. I hope you feel inspired and equipped with new knowledge to enhance your design practice. Remember, design is a continuous journey of learning and exploration. By actively engaging with your prototypes, collaborating with others, and seeking feedback, you can create user centered designs that truly resonate with your audience. Keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy the creative process. Thanks for joining me for part 2 of our Figma tutorial series. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more design tips. Keep creating, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.